Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your login error to your Kik account. So if you're facing some kind of problem in about logging into your Kik account and really want to solve this might be due to potentially different reasons. So the first of the reasons may be because your internet is slow. So if your internet is slow, make sure that you call up your ISP and ask them to fix the thing for you so that you can run on a good internet speed and then log into your account. But if it's not the case, if your internet is running at a proper speed, and if that's not the case, it's probably because of your phone's application. It's probably because your app hasn't updated yet. So in order to update your app, what you have to do is you have to go to your app store. And as your app store loads, you can see that on the bottom right corner there's a search button. Tap on it and then type in Kik. And as you go here, you'll be able to see that as your app displays, if your app hasn't been updated yet, you will see an option that will say update instead of open. So here currently, because my app says open, it means that my app has been completely updated. But because you're facing any kind of error, it might be potentially because your app hasn't been updated yet. So make sure that you update the app properly. But even if that is not the case, there might be other reasons. So what you can also try doing is uninstalling the app and reinstalling the app again. So you can either go back and then long press the app, and then you can simply cross out the app and then delete the app, and you can go to the app store back again and reinstall the app. This might help you to fix your login error, or you can also restart your phone and then see for yourself if your login error gets fixed. I hope this video will be useful to you, and if it was helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure that you let us know in the comment section which video do you want me to make next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.